Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? This is going to be the third in a row of food reviews. Going to try out Coca-Cola Zero Lime. I don't remember if I've ever tried this one on this on the channel. Comment below if you have noticed that I have. Since I've done a lot of food reviews, I think I'm getting close to 200 at this point. So I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, the lime is there. It's not bad. Probably not something I will buy every day, but it's nice. It's nice. Do you have it? Comment below. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.